Hey road warriors, planning your next adventure? There's nothing quite like the open road, new sights, and making memories. But before you hit that gas pedal, let's talk about something critical: safety. We've all been there, dreaming of the destination, only to be sidelined by an unexpected hiccup. A flat tire, an overheated engine, or worse, an avoidable accident. Don't let a preventable issue derail your journey. At ISC Safety, we know safety isn't just for commercial fleets, it's for every family on every road.
So what can you do to ensure a smooth, safe, and stress-free trip? We've boiled it down to 3 non-negotiable checks you need to do before you even pull out of the driveway. Let's dive in.
Number 1. Your tires are your foundation. They are your only contact with the road, and their condition is paramount. Before every road trip, take 5 minutes to, first, check your tire pressure. Use a reliable gauge. Look for the recommended PSI on your car's door jamb or owner's manual. Properly inflated tires improve handling, fuel efficiency, and most importantly, prevent blowouts. Next, inspect tread depth. Grab a penny. Place Lincoln's head upside down into a tire groove. If you can see the top of his head, your tread is too low, and it's time for new tires. Finally, look for damage. Are there any bulges, cracks, or embedded objects? Don't ignore them. Even a small issue can become a big problem at highway speeds. And don't forget your spare tire. Is it properly inflated and accessible? Number 2. Know your fluids and test your lights. These are your vehicle's lifeblood and your way of communicating with other drivers. So check the following. Engine oil. Check your dipstick. Low oil can lead to engine damage and overheating, a definite trip stopper. Brake fluid. Ensure it's at the proper level. Your brakes are your primary safety system. Coolant/antifreeze, especially crucial in hot or cold weather to prevent overheating or freezing. Windshield wiper fluid. Don't get caught in rain or road grime with an empty reservoir. All lights should be functional. Have someone help you check your headlights, high and low beams, tail lights, brake lights, and turn signals. Proper visibility is key, day or night. And finally, number 3, pack an emergency kit and organize your documents. You hope you never need them, but you'll be incredibly grateful if you do. So make sure you have an emergency kit. This should include jumper cables, a first aid kit, a flashlight with extra batteries, reflective triangles or flares, a basic toolkit, a blanket, and some non-perishable food and water. Cell phone and charger, an absolute must for communication. Important documents. Ensure your driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance information are current and easily accessible in your glove compartment. Taking these 3 simple steps can save you time, money, and most importantly, keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. At ISC Safety, we believe proactive safety is the best kind of safety. We're here to help you drive confidently, wherever your journey takes you.
If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like, share it with friends and family planning a trip, and subscribe to our channel for more expert safety advice and DOT compliance insights. Have a question or a road trip safety tip of your own? Leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have an incredible, safe journey.